Hi guys, I'm Aryan Sasoon and I'm a mentor at Game Institute and I teach Unreal Engine here. And well, I've been working on Unreal Engine for 5 years now. So today I'm going to introduce you to Unreal Engine. So let's get started. So what is Unreal Engine? Well, Unreal Engine is a free game development engine by Epic Games. So in Unreal Engine, well, you can develop games for any genre and all the way up to like the AAA level. And it's not just about game development. It's also used in movie industry with TV shows, films. It's also used for architectural and visualization of automobile. And it's also used for training and simulations, and it has many other uses. So for now we will look at the game development section of it because that's what I work on and that's what I teach you. Unreal Engine is very important because it is one of the most basic softwares to start with. Why is it basic? Well, because it's easy to learn. It's fundamentally very easy to learn with the tools it offers, but it is also used by one of the top studios in the industry. So if you go in the correct flow, you can actually start as a beginner, but in no time you can reach the level of a AAA game studio. But that's only if you learn it very well. Okay, well, so it's about time that we jump into Unreal Engine ourselves, and I'll actually show you the latest thing that's come within the game industry, which has changed everything, which is called Unreal Engine 5. And the way they have changed it, well, we'll see it together. Okay guys, so come with me and I'll show you. Okay, so hi guys, well, this is my setup, and now we're going to learn about how to install Unreal Engine 5 and how to get started with basically Unreal Engine regardless of the version. So well, we are going to start with Unreal Engine 5, and as you know, it's like the latest thing that's come into the industry and shook everything that is around it. So we are going to start with it, and with it you will learn like all the new features such as Lumen, Nanite, and I will go into detail with every one of them as we go into the Unreal Engine. So we will also make a future video about it, comparing it with the Unreal Engine 4 and what are the differences and what will you find new in it. But for now we'll focus on the installation. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so well, to start installing Unreal Engine, the first thing we need is Epic Games Launcher, because Unreal Engine is well made by Epic Games. So we will go to an Epic Games Launcher, and the first site, that is download Epic Games Launcher. You can go there, and the first thing you okay, so now that the setup is downloaded, we can continue on with the installation. So I for one already has Epic Games Launcher installed, but these are the steps you need. The setup is pretty much self-explanatory. It's just like every other setup. You just need to give it some permissions and yeah, you're good to go. So now it's installed finally, and it's making some last minute preparations. And for the first time, well, you will need to create an account, or you can just log in via Google like I have done here. So it's just signing me back in. Okay, so now we are finally in Unreal Epic Games Launcher. Sorry. So when you launch the Epic Games Launcher for the first time, it is a pretty heavy launcher because it's not just about Unreal Engine. The main thing that Epic Games is famous for is well making games, and it's also a launcher where you can buy games and play for yourself. So a big category of that is the store, and you also have a library where you can like store your games and play. But for now we are going to focus on making games rather than playing them. So Unreal Engine is the category that will automatically be selected for you, and here we have multiple categories under that. So there are the news, and the news is obviously Unreal Engine 5 is now available, which is the biggest thing. So you can see the spotlight here, some articles or some QA by the devs which have like advertising the latest engine. So for now we'll focus on how to install the engine. So you can just go to the library here. The library is basically your engine library, what engines you have installed already in your PC. So if you don't have them installed, you can do it from here. Okay, so in the library page, you have the first thing here, which is engine versions. So all you have to do is basically press the plus button here and just select 5.0.1, which is my version that is already installed here, and then you are good to go. You just press install and you select the location. I'll just show you how. You select the version here, which is 5.0.1, and you press install, and it will ask you the location. You could just give it the normal location that you already have, which is in C and program files, and you can click on install. Do you have it? That's how you install Unreal Engine 5, and you just need to wait for the download thing to be done, because it is a pretty heavy engine, so it might take like 10 GBs or 15 GBs of space. So yeah, just make sure that you have that much. And yeah. Okay, so once you have done the installation and the engine is ready to launch, you just need to launch it, and we'll see how you get inside Unreal Engine, the first look basically. And once you have launched it, the first thing that you will see will be the project browser. So the project browser is basically the different templates that Unreal offers, and we will not dive into the templates now because you will get a very detailed view into it. I'll explain it later in the upcoming videos, but for now we're just focusing on how do you open a project in it. So you can just create a blank project for now, and you can name it whatever you want. It's already named my project, and you can just focus on creating for now to just check that Unreal Engine does work in your PC. And yeah, so here you have it. This is basically what we call Unreal Editor, and you have successfully installed Unreal Engine and started Unreal Engine and created your first project in it. So yeah, that's it for today.